Welcome to this OpenText Filr video on collaborative online document editing. My name's Robin Redgrave. I'm a solutions consultant based out of the UK. The ability to edit documents online is a feature of Filr Advanced and gives you the capability from within Filr to edit a document within a browser window. How you set this up we cover in other videos in this series. What I plan to do here is to show you how this works for the end user. Let's just log into Filr first of all. So I'll just log in here and let's go to a file, and I've got an option to edit this file online. That will launch a new tab with the online editing capabilities in. So here I can edit this document. I can delete and modify the document quite happily, and we can have some security things around this. So in this instance I've got my email address being put in as a watermark there. I can stop this being printed from here, and indeed having it being saved as a different document. Something else I can do which is quite useful is to prevent text being copied out of this document and pasted in somewhere else, and only allowing copy and paste within the document here. This is a full word processor. I've got my normal word processing options. It's based around LibreOffice. We're actually running CollaboraOffice online here, and as you can see I can save the document and that will update the document on the file system. So we've got that option there to edit a document. Let me just show you how this works within the desktop client. Let's just go and edit that same document that I was looking at. You can see I've got the option here to edit that file online. And so you can see I can edit that file quite happily here from the desktop side of things. Let's just finally show you that working from a mobile. So here, if I just log into Filr, again, sorry about the colors here, that was from when I did my branding demonstration. If we take that same file that we were looking at previously, and I just take the option here to edit online, then you'll see there that I get that document coming up. If I click on the little pencil in the bottom right, I can now start editing that file. So here, if I just want to edit that file, you can see there. So I'm being able to edit this file on my mobile device, even though that's sitting on a network file share within my organization. Oh, one last thing maybe just to show you here is, let's just see if I can bring up the other screen we were on before. So you can see here that that's the document I opened up previously, and as I type in my document here, you can see where that document, where that user is typing on the iPad. And similarly, if I come into the iPad and just delete that, you can see that user typing there, and indeed down the bottom of that paragraph you can see the cursor here where the user on the desktop client's logged in as well. So you've got options there for multiple users editing the document at the same time. You can see up here I've got those three users visible. In this instance they're all me, but obviously there might well be others. Anyway, hopefully this has shown you a little bit about how we can edit documents and that you found this video useful. Thank you for listening.